Hey guys, welcome back. It's Diamond. So today I'm excited. I have a new box for not just my channel but in general. I just signed up for BabeBox and this is how it looks. I believe the first month when you sign up is free, so that's why I went ahead and did it, and just so I could have something new on my channel. And from what I can see, all items are 100% cruelty free. So let's go ahead and just get started. I don't have a lot of time to film. But this is just, it's really cute. I love the packaging. Like, it's got little makeup themes around the edge. And it looks like this card tells you about the products. And under the card, more cute packaging. I love when they take time to package their boxes really cute. So this is the products. Get a little sneak peek. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing I am pulling out is from Pierre Cosmetics. It's the Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. And let's see what it says. This compact palette packs quite a punch, allowing for multiple looks with 4 different trending shadows. From neutral romantic looks to sunset-inspired glam, Peach Blossom brings the best of Pierre's mineral eyeshadow formula in one on-the-go packaging, and it retails for $25. So that's cool. Let's see how it looks. There's the shades. That's really pretty. Kind of like this. I think that would be my favorite one. I'll do some swatches for us. Pretty good. Oh, have to learn to do better swatches. Yeah, it's really nice pigmented. The orange one right here was a little bit chalky, but not too bad at all. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is in this little box, 3D Facelift Serum Tuck and Tighten Cougar by Paula Dunn. Cute. Let's open it up. Okay, so it's just in this little plastic bottle. And let's read about it. Cougar Beauty 3D Facelift Serum. The ultimate non-invasive facelift, loaded with nutrients, ceramides, glycerin, natural ingredients, and vitamins like C, K, E. This 3D facelift serum works with anti-aging technology to combat the signs of aging, mimicking the production of a facelift, without scarring pain, hefty price tag, and long recovery period. The 3D serum does 3 very important things. It detoxifies the skin, adding luminosity and glow, and the hyaluronic acid works to lock moisture into the skin. So retail value is $25. I don't know if that means a full size or if this is $25 because it doesn't say, but it's 30 milliliters, so 1 ounce. That's a pretty good size. I mean, I doubt it's full size. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing is, looks like an eyeliner or lip liner from Lord & Berry. Okay, yeah, Line Shade Eye Pencil. Just, is it upside down? No. Okay, so let's read about it. Line Shade Eyeliner Pencil. Formulated with Caval and Kohl to provide rich, consistent color, this water-resistant pencil is easy to apply and dash. And I feel like there's typos on this. It's so hard to read. Using small strokes to draw along the lash line, then blending with a synthetic brush. Best of all, it can be used to create a sharp line or a softer, smoky effect that won't cake or streak. Now that's a real eye-opener. And its retail value is $19. So it's just a resharpenable pencil. I will swatch it. It's not super creamy, but it's definitely black. Oh yeah, and it would be great for doing a smoky. It smudges very well. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out looks like it's from Babe Beauty. Yeah, Babe Cosmetics Collagen Infused Lip Mask. The natural collagen infused lip mask by Babe Cosmetics creates full lip appearance, reduces fine lines, hydrates, softens, and firms skin around lip area. You'll feel the difference within seconds. As silly as it looks, this lip mask works wonders. It retails for $15. So let's open it and see. Okay, so it's a 5-pack. Yeah, just little. I thought maybe you could see through the packaging, but you can't. That's okay. So I'm excited to try those. I love lip masks. And the last thing I'm pulling out is from Appeal. Say liquid eyeshadow. Appeal Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow. This highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow is exactly what your vanity was missing. The liquid formula adds a multi-dimensional shimmer to your eye look, giving it that sparkle that looks almost unachievable. And it retails for $18. Finally. Okay, so... Oh, okay, so it's like a little brush. I thought it might be like a doe foot applicator. So let's do a swatch. Oh, that's pretty. It's not like liquidy. It's more like kind of like a cream texture. Okay. So that's pretty, and that is it. So what did you guys think about this box? This is my first one, like I said, so I don't have anything to compare it to, but I think it's good. It says the total box value is $102, and I believe it's a $25 a month subscription. Like I said, I didn't pay for this one because it was a deal if your first box was free. So let me know what you think, and I guess that's it. Make sure you like this video and leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!